know, it is the holiday season, and I don't know any holiday season songs. Don't have any in my repertoire, that is. And I didn't learn any for these shows. But if you listen to the my record of this song, and listen real closely, you can hear the Phil Spector sleigh bells on the record, because I played them myself, so I know that they're there. You know, and they're in the echo chamber way in the back. They're one of the things that gives the record its flavor. So we thought that in honor of the holiday season, we would duplicate that. And we're going to ask our friend Carl Spataro to help us out on the sleigh bells. He's been helping us out all week. The great Carl Spataro, folks. I can't stand to see you sad. Well, I can't bear to hear you cry. But you can't tell me what you need. All I can do is wonder why. Someday, someway, someday, someway, now, someday, someway, maybe I'll understand you. After all you've done for me now, all I really want to do is take the love you brought my way, and I'll give it all back to you. Someday, someday, someway. Now hear what I say, someway. Maybe you'll understand me. Now you're taking everything from me, and I'm taking everything from you, and I love you for my whole life through. Well, after all you've done for me, all I really want to do is take the love you brought my way, and I'll give it all back to you. Someday, someway, someday, someway. Now hear what I say. Someday, someway, maybe you'll understand me. You're taking everything from me, and I'm taking everything from you, and I love you for my whole life through. I can't stand to see you sad. I can't bear to hear you cry. But if you can't tell me what you need, all I can do is wonder why. Someday, someway, someday, someway, now, someday, someway, maybe I'll understand you. Someday, someway, whoa. Someday, someway, someday, someway, maybe you'll understand me. Someday, someway, listen. Someday, someway, yeah. Someday, someway, maybe I'll understand. Alright, Carl Spataro over here. Martin Keith over here on the bass. Thank you. Happy holidays, thanks so much.